Hi friends, welcome to Tutorial Race, and in this video you are going to learn how to upload image from Angular and backend will be PHP MySql. So in this video I will show you how you will create a form and upload the image from Angular, and in the backend we will be using PHP for server-side handling. As you know, for any application you need image, whether it's a e-commerce website or simple form registration. Normally image uploading is one of the most common requirement of any application. So in this video I'm going to show you. So just let's continue with the practical example. So at the end of this tutorial you will be able to create a form like this. Normally what happens in most of the cases, you might have seen that image upload, that means only image uploading is given, but in practical life image is not single. Normally what happens, image is normally included with the form. For example, product name, a product description, and then image uploading. So in that case you need form with image upload. That is why I have tried to to include this with form field as well. So let me show you that how this will work. Okay, so my name is here. Now I will select any of these images. Let's select any of the image. For example, I'm selecting this one, and then okay, let me show you one more thing here in Zame htdocs. Then this one is my PHP where we will be uploading the image. So just let me remove all the images so that you will be sure that okay, the image is perfectly uploading. Now let's click submit here, and then the message here, the file is uploaded. Now let's check whether the file is uploaded or not. So you can see this image is now successfully uploaded. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this kind of form and how you can upload the image along with this form field. So stay connected, and let's start the tutorial. Now let's create a new project. ng new ng upload. Press yes. Now let's cd, and then now npm start. So our new application will start here. In the meantime, let's open that folder. So that folder is in my D drive, Angular classes. So this one is our applications. So now click on this src, and here we will create service as well as component. But before that, let's see whether our application started or not. Let's go here, refresh, and then you can see our newly installed application has now started. Now let's go here and create one service, ng service image upload. Press enter. A new service will be created here. You can see this service file is now created. Image upload service, this one. Now we will create the form here going. So let's delete everything, and once again we will go to bootstrap cdn, and then let's include bootstrap cdn from here, and let's go here, index include this one. Okay, now let's get back to here and let's create here div, then class container fluid. So we will put here heading, then div class row, inside here div, then class md:12 text center bg warning, and then h1 tag here. Inside this we will write image upload with progress bar. Okay, now let's start the server once again. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, this is our heading. Now let's create another div here. We can create div here also, div dit class container. Okay, inside here we will create the form, so it will be form start and form close here. On submit, so we will create this function inside our component.ts, and this is alias of our form. So now let's go to here app component and create this form. The function name is this one here. This is our function name. We will add more code here. Now let's get back here, and this one we are adding here for progress bar. So here is if the progress is greater than 0, that means initially it will be hidden, and this is bootstrap progress bar code, and then minimum value will be 0 and maximum 100. And here according to the changes the style with progress, it will increase and increase the progress according to uploading. Now let's add some fields. So here 3 fields we are going to add, and that is first name. Here is first name, form control. We are going to use reactive form, last name and email. And now ultimately we will add file upload. So this is for file uploading. It's very simple. Input type file upload, and then this is the function. So on change, that means when image will be uploaded, then this function will fire. Okay, and finally this one is for submit button. Here submit button. Now we will have to call here we will include form builder and form group, and as you know that form builder and form group is generally called inside constructor as a dependency injection. So here we will call it like this. So we are calling here this form builder, and we are creating this instance. Okay, the next step is we will call here our service, the service just we have created here. So our service name is this. Oh, this is spec, not this one actually. Service here. This one is service. We will add more code here. In the meantime, let's add here import the service from image upload service, and also this one we will call here public image service instance of image service. So let's make it small, this instance. Okay, next. And now inside here, inside constructor, we will create form builder. So this form needs to be called here form, then this ng form is form group. Okay, we will call here form group. Okay, actually it will be capital, so form group. Okay, now if you remember, so if you check here, we had created a form called file upload. Now we will have to create a function of this name here, and when the user uploads the form, the file, this code will work there. So here in fact will be so event. Let's declare here event. Now the error is gone. And now, so what will happen if we keep like this? So if you console.log and check, then just put here file. Okay, now let's try to open, and yes, we are getting this error, says the property progress is not defined. So let's do one thing, define here progress initial progress number and equals to 0. The initial value will be of progress 0. Now the error should have gone. Okay, now we are getting this error saying that form group is not non-property or. So this error normally happens when app module we have not called here import forms module and reactive forms module. Reactive forms module, these two needs to be included here. So is spelling correct or not? Angular forms already coming. Now let's call these two forms inside our import section. Reactive, actually its name is reactive forms module. Okay, now let's try what happens. Form group. Okay, so it looks like here also. So now we can see that after importing these two modules, now our file got compiled successfully. So this is our form, you can see. So what happens, why we have written this code, let me explain you. Here inside this app components, this one. So when you select any image, say let's select any of this image. For example, this image I'm selecting. Then you can see automatically this function got called, this one, with image information, where you can see the image name, last modified, and several other information, its size, image type, all information is gathered here. So how it's working? Because we have written here, we have given the value here on change. So when we have changed, we selected the file, then this function get fired here, and the file information is stored here. And finally, what we need to do, this information we'll have to call here HTTP client from this module. And here we will create one function called this image upload. Now let's get back to here, and then we will subscribe here that image upload. Then we will write this code inside this dot image upload service. That means this one. Then first name, last name, email, image. So all the fields we are passing to this one. So in fact we have to, why we are getting this error, and then subscribe. So why we are getting this error? Because we have to pass this parameter here also. So let's just write here these parameters, and then here we will be passing an observable. So once again here we need to call this observable from RSJS module, and then these are the data which we will be passing as a form. So this one is JavaScript empty form. This is empty container where we will pass all our value, key value, and it will be stored here, and this data we will be sending to PHP. And as you can see, it is saying that observable will return. Okay, so what it will return here, and here this is my XAMPP and PHP path. So what is happening here? Let me explain you. Yes, we are gathering all information here by this, and ultimately where it is appended here. So now the form data here, this form data has complete information which will be passed in this PHP file, and after there it will return here progress through and events. And if something goes bad, then we have to catch the error as well with pipe. And we have to define this, so we have to call this catch error, and this throw error module we have to call from the top here, throw error. As you can see, this function automatically is generated after this. So that's it in this service file. Now let's get back to here and app module not. And one more thing, here we need to call import HTTP client module from this, and we need to import here as well. So after subscribe here, it will return HTTP event. So where this HTTP event will come from, if you remember here, it will be returning these events. So inside events there will be HTTP event here. Okay, so now let me call import. We have to HTTP event, we need to import this one, and here we will put here switch case. Okay, because this HTTP, this event passes through different stages. We need one more curly braces here for our class, and for this one we need here. So this is under the case 1. What will happen under case 1? The first one will be working as progress. Okay, so if HTTP event type is progress, upload progress, once again we need to call here HTTP event type. In that case, here we will be passing the progress. So here the code will be events total. If event total, there is total, means 5%, 10%, or else it will return 0. After this, if event total is not blank, in that case what will happen? It will calculate here and it will progress. In progress it will calculate like 10%, 15%, 19%, and whatever message it will return, it will show into our HTML form. Okay, this one is not required actually. Let's simply delete this. And finally, since this is switch case, so here will be a break. And now case 2, if the upload progress is finished, here it will be event type response, means after uploading the file there will be something response. This response is event dot response, event dot body, event dot body. So this will be a response here. Now let's do one thing. Let's console dot log and then this event dot body here, means what response it is coming from there. Now let's try. There is something message initializer and no initial value. Let's go to here. Let's keep it any, that will be better. So now it's successfully running. Now get back to here and see what is happening. Now let's try to upload the image and write our data. First name and select any of the image. Say Abdul Kalam Azad. I'm selecting this one. And this image will be uploaded here. I will also show you the PHP file, but later. First see if the image is uploading or not. So network, let's click and then submit. Okay, so what happened in the console? It says that function not implemented, catch error here. No? Line number service.ts, there is something wrong here. Service.ts catch error. So to make it simple, let's delete this and then after pipe, after here, simply let's paste this, write this code 5, and then this catch error, of course we need to uh, include here catch error as well in service. So now it's done, and let's get back again here, try to submit the form, and let's select this and submit. Okay, so there is progress bar going there, file has been uploaded. You can see it is saying that the file has been uploaded, and we will check if really the file has been uploaded or not. So let's go here and check upload. You can see the file has been successfully uploaded. Okay, but here you can see there is some problem. The problem is that it is still showing the progress bar. It should have been hidden after this, the message which you saw here in console should have been displaying here. So now get back here, and we will write some code here only in this inside the body. Okay, so we will check. Okay, now before that, let's go to PHP file. Okay, so this is my PHP file. You know, this line has been added here for avoiding the coarse origin. Okay, so this is not new. These 3 lines has been added because normally you get the coarse origin error. And this is my directory name, base name, we are taking the image name, and this is my target dir uploaded. Okay, initial value I've given uploaded. Okay, then here image type you are checking. So if file exists, then you will get this message. If the file size is more than 5 MB, then you will get this error, the file is too large. If JPG, PNG and JPEG, apart from that, and GIF, apart from that, if any other kind of file tries to upload, then you will get this message. I'm concatenating here with this dot operator, and then okay, so if the upload is 000, all is 0, in that case you will get this message, and we will return this in JSON format. Or else, if there is no problem, then file will be uploaded here, and I have not included here MySQL, but for your convenience I have written here code. You can see we are catching here first name, last name, email, image name. So you can write this query, insert into users first name, last name, email, image, values, this. If you want to check if really the value is passing or not, let me show you. Okay, now go here and try to upload network. We will go clean first name Umar Rahman, upload, then this. Now let's take this image and submit. Okay, so image size is larger than that. Okay, image has been uploaded. And you can see first name, last name, email and image name is successfully we are getting from here, and image has been also uploaded here, and image we are getting this message, file has been uploaded from here, the file has been uploaded. Okay, so you can see now you can be conveniently saying that okay, the image is passing and other information apart from this is also passing perfectly. Okay, now get back to here, and we will do some more customization here. Here you check, there are 2 things. The first one is error or success. So in case there is success, we will put here condition. The condition will be if event.body.success. Okay, in that case, what will happen here? So this is the code we are going to write here. Let's comment it. If event dot body dot error, then this error will be whatever error will be coming from here, from our PHP file, whatever error will be coming from here. So that error will show in our TS file. Whatever error will be showing here, any of the error, it will show there. So now let's declare this and this one also. And if success, then still the message will be sent. Now let's put this here somewhere, maybe h2, and then okay, so whatever message will be coming back, it will show there. Now let's try and see. You will get message here, but guys, this is in yellow color, so it will not look good at all. Let's put here only. Okay, div and then div. So inside this we will better put this message. Alright, now once again I'm putting this image. Suppose I'm selecting the same image which I had previously uploaded. Okay, in that case this message should show the file already exists. This message should show here in the top. Submit here. You can see it is saying sorry, file already exists. Sorry, your file was not uploaded. So I believe there is no need to saying sorry 2 times. Simply let's say your file was not uploaded. That's it. So you can see we are getting this message from PHP and displaying here into our this file in our component.html. Now the problem is this. It's still, you can see it is still showing running. Yeah? So now we need to remove this when the 100% is complete. Now it should vanish. Alright, so now here we need to add here the code. We will write here refresh after 1.5 seconds. So what will happen here? Progress will set to 0 and these messages will be also cleared. And one more thing, this message will be cleared here. Okay, so we need to show this one also in HTML at same places, or maybe near below or above progress bar. So let's put it here only, div, and then not there actually. The progress bar is here, so let's show the message here, maybe this message. That means the percentage of progress will show here. Now let's try to upload, see what happens. Let's select any other image like this. Yes, it says uploaded 100% and then it's gone now. So it's working, you can see. Let's put it h12 in here, this one. Okay, let's do some more styling here. So the form group container. Now let's go to style.css. I will write here dot container and then dot container div. So I'll put here margin top 20 px. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you can see now there is better this one. So rather than 20 I will put it 30, so it will look cleaner. Yes, now let's try to upload any other image and see what happens. Finally I'm going to upload this image, see here, and then let's remove this from there because I think we are getting some problem from here. So we can keep somewhere here. Now let's try uploading with other image. Say this image, now uploaded 100% and it's gone. We got some problem because what happened when we wrote this div code, then what happened, the height of our progress bar also got increased. Okay, so that is why we need to provide css with other ways, because this progress bar form group. Okay, let's give css one form group rather, and we can delete this form group from here. Now let's try. What happens? Looks like better, but let's see if the progress bar shows or not. Yeah, the progress bar is showing perfectly, and then it's showing 100%, and finally the image is also uploaded. If I select same image back in 38, then it should show the error message. Somehow the error message is not displaying, so what can be the reason? This message have we put somewhere? No, we have not put. So this message also we have to show, so that error message or success message it will show. This will show the progress 100% whatever is, and this one will show you the error message or success message. So let's select the same image 38, this one now. So what's the error here? Okay, yeah, it's showing file already exists. But if we select some other image, then it should show a success message. For example, this submit file has been uploaded. So guys, hope you like this video, and still if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe my channel, and also put your comments so that I can interact with you. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.